Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to enable or disable notifications from your Fruit Ninja 2 application using your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your device. From the home page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you will need to tap on the enable notification or the disable notification if you want to enable or disable your notification setting. You can also go through your device's setting and find the notification option and turn on and off the app notifications from there. Simply open up your settings app from your mobile device and then go ahead and tap on the notifications option. Under notifications, search for the Fruit Ninja 2 app and select it. If you want to turn on notification setting for Fruit Ninja, make sure the button is toggled on and it turns green. If you want to disable the notifications for Fruit Ninja, make sure the toggle button is disabled and turned gray. So right after you do that, you will be able to enable or disable notifications for Fruit Ninja 2. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.